की खूब और का बातें से टीवी लवन राशि तक Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kashilong Lajong Lajop Salit Dakwela Not Bersha Ekakan Hun Shipai na Nepal Katribuvan Army FC Hakasngisdang Eka Jingale Akai Naga Group F Janga Shispa Lai Ploy Indian Oil Durand Cup Hamaran Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo Haka Atri Unailar Aja Posao Yaga Naga Shigol Naga Bentaga Lajong La Tep Do Wada Jet Ringklam Haka Minute Kabahnyo Janga Last Step Hadigane Lajong La Yok Bon Ki Kabu Rekam Shulala Pen Urlong Yiki Thong Baga jinga le akai gala kut haka baka Lajong kala yok khur yiki lai point bapura naga diga jinga khun jo Group F. U head coach Kashilong Lajong u Jos Hevia u la pinya le akai yala ka kinhon da sao lai ringkat urang yale akai ka Brazil u Marcos Rudwe Silva balay le akai na ka Shakman Kabau Tribuvan Army FC head coach u KC Megraj la seye ka kinhon ka ba I bha jong u balay le akai lang do urang yale akai ka Nepal International Bharat Khawas balay alamnya ka kinhon
It is Shillong Lajong against the Tribhuvan Army. Lajong in red will be attacking from left to right of your screens in the first half. Another corner, two corners in the early minutes for Tribhuvan Army. A short directed goal, side netting it is, and a warning sign for Shillong Lajong. They cannot take this lightly. Tribhuvan Army are here on a mission.
A nice short corner over there. Nobody really coming out, giving him chance to take a shot at the goal.
Hari Nongpri, here's a chance for Wadachin! Oh, what a finish! This is the quality which Shillong Lajong possess. A fine piece of art to start the Durand Cup campaign for Shillong Lajong. 1-0 for the Reds.
And what a way to go in. Nobody really challenging him. And the way he took his shot, he was confident. The wet surface helps this. The grounder, crisp grounder, beating the goalkeeper hands down. Look at that. Nobody there. He has got both the angles and he chooses the left of the goalkeeper. Brilliant shot, brilliant goal. Not disturbed at all. If it was a short goalkeeper, you would have had to dive.
Oh, what a clever pass, but the flag will be up. Very clever from Wadajit. We'll have to look at that again. Might be close actually because Frankie Boom was offside, but Ever Brightson, it'll be a close call surely.
Brilliant time. There were two players out there, but this goes in right to Brightson, and that's why it is offside.
Cleared away by Hari Nongpri. And there's a race for Frankie Boom, and he wins the foot race as well. A delightful pass in Ever Brightson. On the second attempt, and now Marcus Silva. How close to the second, and that is football at its very best here.
And look at that run, absolutely brilliant. And look, he looks up, he knows that he's not in offside. Lovely touch that was to stop that ball, but goalkeeper comes out to trot. Then another chance comes in from outside the box. Marcus had to keep himself a little bit calm, just place the ball on target. It would have been 1-0.
And there's a quick exchange. Ever Brightson and looking for space to shoot. Frankie Boom a little over eager to find the target.
I think the ball given there, 3 red shirts up front. And look at that, for an attack. The ball comes in, the pass over there. He tries to make that space. He tries to see the vision of the goal, but unfortunate for him that he could not strike. 3-4 green shirts in front.
Oh, another cross in. Is it kept in play? A risky moment. And how does he not hit the target from there, Person Jim? I believe he himself did not expect that coming in.
And that's what we want to see. Oh, he was on the line, and look at that free ball. He just could have tapped that ball in. The goalkeeper was out of control there. Just couldn't keep that weight on the ball.
Can they pull one back before half-time? It will be a question. But Shillong Lajong will want another. They'll fancy another. Frankie Buam, he wants his goal badly. Another, the angle not supporting him. But he still somehow manages a shot on target. Tipped away by Bikesh Kutu. Once again, look at him. Look at Frankie Buam. Ever Brightson and Marcus Silva waiting. But a fantastic save eventually. Seems like there was no deflection on the way. But a powerful shot on target. Ever Brightson looking for options. Here's Marcus Silva. Can he come up with a better performance in this half? Clever. Ever Brightson has Buam in support. A flick back. And the slightest of touches from Bharat was enough to help his keeper.
That was a decoy run from the left. Look at the combination between these two. Beautifully ball turned inside. A little bit too early to receive that ball. Tries to just flick that ball to deceive the goalkeeper. It does pretty well to keep his eye on it. Shillong Lajong's speed is good enough to really deceive anybody.
Another ball in! Brilliantly buried away by Manas Dubey. That was the best of attacks for Tribhuvanami.
Vasant was the man over there. And this tall youngster simply shows so much confidence. And when the ball came in towering teasingly over the defenders, look at that free shot, great connection, good on target. But look at the goalkeeper, so calm, composed, just had to parry that ball away.
Oh, Figo Sinda with the cross off the bar and blocked. On that occasion, Shillong Lajong denied their second by some top defending and some good fortune for Tribhuvanami.
He deceives the two defenders, goes on behind them. What a curler that was. And that header just kissed the bar and comes out.
What a brilliant switch. Figo Sindai with his left. Punched away by Bikesh Kutu.
Yeah, the fresh pair of legs have proved that they are dangerous, and this is what the shot came in. Would have hit the top corner. The goalkeeper really covers very well to just palm that ball out.
Hadinongri again! Lajong could have been a hero here. Just tried to glide it goalwards, inches away from that bottom corner. And not much time here, the referee having a look at his watch. And it is full time, and the crowd erupts. Their first victory of the season. They've got 3 points to start the Durand Cup 2024. Hadinongri thanks and asks for blessings. This, they believe, is just the start. Shillong Lajong 1, Tribhuvanami 0. A splendid performance from a sparkling Shillong Lajong. Wadajit scoring the only goal of the game.